Hello, this is Jared Fisher, Director of Everything Over to Scape Adventures. I want to show you a really neat video today that I shot about 3.5 years ago in Mount Hood area in Oregon. Now you'll notice in this video there's a lot of aerial footage that I use my drone to fly over, and in the distance you'll see Mount Hood almost in every shot. It's absolutely amazing. Everywhere you go, 360 view, you get to see Mount Hood in the distance. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video footage, and hopefully it has inspired you to get outside, enjoy the beautiful backcountry of the Southwest, Northwest, wherever it may be that you're at. Take your family, take your friends, do whatever it takes to get out and enjoy every moment, because remember, life is a limited time offer. So live your dreams, don't dream your life.